You sit down at your computer, ready to hack. You run your port scan, and then nothing. You found a couple open ports, but now what? This is where most beginners get stuck, and this is where enumeration begins. Enumeration is a hacker's way of turning open doors into actual entry points. Now, enumeration is the process of extracting detailed information from a system or service. It's not loud, it's not flashy, but it's smart. Think of it like social engineering for machines. You're asking questions, and the systems are answering. Now, what exactly can be enumerated? We can enumerate domains, users, files, shares, services, directories, and network info, and a whole bunch more. Now, domain enumeration is up first. It's about mapping the online real estate. It's like figuring out all the buildings that belong to a company, and not just their main office. You'll find subdomains, mailing servers, staging environments, and all things admins forget to hide. Now, these tools try DNS lookups, brute force word lists, or scrape public records to uncover related subdomains. Now, user enumeration comes next. You're looking for account names, groups, and even potential login targets. If the system were a castle, these are the names on the guard's list, and some of them might use password 123. The tools try to pull usernames from services like Samba, LDAP, or Kubernetes, or they try to test for user existence using patterns like user1, user2, JDO, or admin. Now we get to file and directory enumeration. This is huge for web servers. It's like rattling every door in the hallway to see which ones are unlocked and what's behind them. Now these tools try word lists like admin, upload, backup, dev, and basically guessing folder names and checking server responses. If it doesn't throw a 404 error, then it's something interesting. Now next up, we have share enumeration. On eternal networks, shares are gold. Imagine being handed access to someone's Dropbox with zero password. Attackers connect to Samba shares and try to list them. Even unauthenticated users can often see folders like public, users, and backups, and they try to read inside. Now we get to service enumeration. Every open port is running a service. Enumeration helps you figure out what it is and how it's configured. Think of it like checking the label on a chemical bottle before deciding what to do with it. Service enumeration grabs banners, little snippets that say, hey, I'm Apache 2.4.49, and that version might have a known exploit. There's enumeration for about every protocol, but FTP, SNMP, RDP, and MySQL are really common. Now each have their own quirks. All of this, the domains, users, shares, files, and versions, build a profile of your target. You're assembling a jigsaw puzzle. Enumeration gives you all the edge pieces. Now the picture starts to form. How do you keep yourself safe? Close unused ports, disable anonymous access, limit directory listings, patch services, monitor service, and brute force attempts are all great ways to help prevent this. But don't leave your digital windows open. Shut the curtains, lock the doors, and you might as well hire a guard. Enumeration is the phase where recon becomes reality. If you want to learn it, you'll never be stuck after a port scan ever again. Now I hope this helped and I hope you learned something. So if you did learn something, please make sure to like and subscribe as it really helps out a ton.